Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I Lakshmi Negi again with you with the chapter 13 surface area and volume class 9th question exercise 13.5 onward. Before going in exercise 13.5, first you need to understand the volume of cube and cuboid. The volume of cube is side into side into side and the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. The volume you need to understand that if you have to find out, this is a cubical box and cuboidal box, and in this if you have to find out the surface area, that's mean we are talking about these walls. If you need to find out the volume, that's mean how much water is occupied inside it, this called volume. So see the question number 1. In question number 1 you can see that you have given L, B and H of a cuboidal matchbox and you have to find out how much volume contained by the 12 boxes. The volume of one box is L into B into H and you will multiply it by 12, you will get the answer. In next question, in cuboidal water tank, length is given, width is given, height is given. How much liter? It is not mentioned in the question that what you have to find out. How much water is inside it, that's when you have to find out the volume. So first you will find out the volume of this tank L into B into H. It is coming in meter cube. For converting it into the liter, you will multiply it by 1000 and you will multiply it by 1000, you will get the quantity in liters. So this will be the answer. Now move to the next question, question number 3. In question number 3 you can see that the cuboidal vessel, the length is given, width is given and you have to given the height. You have to find out the height. You can see that LB is given, H you have to find out. The volume is 380, it is mentioned here. You can see that it is 380 cubic meter. It is not mentioned that it is volume, but if you will see that cubic, that means you have to apply your mind that it is given volume only. So volume is given this one and you will substitute all the values L and B and you will find out the value of H. Now question number 4, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit of this. This is L, B and H. Now you have to dig a cuboidal pit. That's mean again you have to find out the volume. First you will find out the volume and the cost of digging is 30 meter. You will multiply it by 30, you will get the. Now moving to the question number 5, you can see that you have given the capacity of cuboidal tank. It is given in the liter and you should understand that capacity, that's mean again volume. It is given in the liter. So first you will convert it into the meter cube. So for that you will divide it by 1000 and it will convert it into the meter cube. Now capacity is given in meter cube and L and H is given but B is not given. You will substitute all the values. Capacity is volume, L is given, H is given but B is not given. You will substitute the value and you will find out the value of this question. Question number 6. This is a very good question of this exercise. In this it is given that in a village the population of a village is 4000 and 150 liter water is required for one person per day and the length, width and height of the tank is given this much. You have to find out that this water will be last in how many days for this village. So what you will do? You will do that first you will write whatever it is written in the question, that length, width and height of the tank and the population of the village which is mentioned here 4000 and the water consumed by one person in a day is 150 liter. Therefore water consumed by 4000 people in one day is equal to, you will multiply it 4000 by 150 and since it is coming in liters you have to convert into the meter cube because this is also volume. So you will divide by 1000, it will convert it into meter cube. Now this is volume which is in meters. Now the capacity of tank, that's mean volume is L into B into H. You will substitute all the values, L, B, H is given and now this is the volume of tank and this is the volume of water consumed by 4000 person in one day. Therefore number of days is equal to volume of tank upon water consumed by 4000 people in one day. You will divide it by this and you will get 3 days. This is the answer of this question. Now moving to the next question. In the next question you can see that there is a go down which is in the shape of cuboid. L, B and H is given for go down and the L, B and H of box is also given. Now you have to tell that how many such box will be fit in that go down. So for that, first you have to find out the volume of go down L into B into H, volume of one box L into B into H. Then you will divide volume of go down by volume of one carat. So you will get the answer, which is 10666. Approximately it is 10,666. Now moving to the next question, question number 8. In question number 8, the solid cube of side 12 centimeter, that's mean 12 centimeter cube is there, and you have to cut it into the 8 cubes of equal sides. What will be the side of the small cube? So what you will do, first you will write the side of the big cube, and the volume of big cube will be 12 into 12 into 12. This is this. Now you have to cut this big cube into the small cubes. So you will divide it by 8. Therefore the volume of one cube will be 216, and the volume of the small cube will be a cube, side into side into side, which is 216. Therefore a is equal to cube root of 216, which is 6. Now you have to find out, you can see that in the question it is also mentioned that you have to find out the ratio of their surface areas. So you will find out the ratio of their surface areas. The surface area of the first cube, the big cube, is 6a square. You will substitute in place of a, you will write 12. The small cube, you will write 6 in place of a. So this is the volume of smaller one, this is the volume of bigger one. You will divide, take the ratio, and you will get the ratio of their surface area will be 4:1. Now question number 6, 9th. This is also a good question. There is a river which is 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide, and the rate of flow, that's mean the speed of water in this river is 2 km per hour. You have to assume that the water flowing in the river, that's mean the river is in the shape of cuboid. You will assume it. So the height or depth, you can say that it's 3 meter. The width, that's mean width, is also given 40 meter, and length is 2 kilometer. So we have mentioned all the things here. Width is given, height is given, length is 2 kilometer. We have converted into the meter. Now the volume of water flowing in 1 hour, because the length of water is also for 1 hour. So you will find out the volume of water in 1 hour will be L into B into H. This. Now the volume of water in 1 minute will be, you will divide it by 60, and the answer will be 4,000 meter cube. Now for the exercise 13.6, first you need to understand the volume of a cylinder. The volume of the cylinder, the formula will be pi r square h. And you should understand that the volume of cylinder, that's mean how much water or how much the thing can be occupied inside the cylinder. Or you can say that if you are making a solid cylinder, so how much wood is required to make it. It is also called the volume of this. Now see, in the question number 1, you can see that the circumference of the cylindrical vessel is given, and you can see that the circumference is given, and we have given the height of the cylinder also. The value of the circumference, since you know that the cylinder, the circumference of the base, it is a circle, therefore circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 132 centimeter, and 2 pi r is equal to 132. You will find out the value of r by this, and height is already given in the question. So the volume of cylinder will be pi r square h. You will substitute all the values, and then you will get the answer. But you have to find out the capacity of the tank, which is into the liter. So converting centimeter cube into the liter, you will divide it by 1000. Now moving to the next question, the question number 2. In question number 2, you can see that the inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe. Inner diameter, that's mean inner radius we will find out, and the outer diameter, that's when we will find out outer radius, and height of the cylinder is given. We have to find out that how much wood will be required for that. But you should understand that it's a hollow cylinder. That's mean there is a inner radius and there is a outer radius, inner radius and outer radius, and we have to find out the volume of this much, that's mean wood required. So this volume will be pi r square h minus pi r square h. You will take the common pi and h in this, and you will substitute all the values. You will find out the volume of the wood. But volume of the wood should be required in gram because it is given that for 1 centimeter cube the volume is 6 gram, 0.6 gram. So you will multiply it by 0.6 gram and it is coming in 3432 gram. But for converting in kilogram you will divide it by 1000. So it is coming in 1000. Now for the next question, I am not going to read the question. There are the two types of the packs for the soft drink. One is in the shape of cuboid, that is L is given, B is given, L is given, B is given and H is given. You will find out the volume, or you can say that the capacity of this cane. So it is 3 centimeter cube, L into B into H, and the second in the form of cylinder. For that you have given diameter, you will find out radius, height is given, you will find out again capacity, that's mean volume of the cylinder pi r square h, and you will see that the volume of cylinder is more and how much, for that you will subtract it. Now moving to the next question. In the next question you can see that the literal surface area of the cylinder is given. Literal surface area means curved surface area, or you can say that 2 pi r h. It is given in the question, and you have given height, and you have to find out radius of the base. So you will write 2 here, and in the place of pi you will write 3.14, and r you have to find out, h is given. You will substitute all the values, you will find out the radius. Now you are having radius also and height also, and you can easily find out the volume, which is pi r square h. Now moving to the question number 6, question number 5th. In question number 5th, the 2200 is the cost of painting the inner curved surface area of the cylinder for the rate of 10 and 10 meter deep. That it is given the depth, or you can say height. The cost of painting at the rate of 20 meter per square. For finding the curved surface area, since you are painting the curved surface area, for inner curved surface area, you will divide the total cost by the rate of the painting. So you will get 110 meter. Now you can say that the curved surface area, that's when 2 pi r h is 110. You will substitute all the values and you will find out the value of r. Now you are having r and h is already given in the question. So you can easily find out the volume, which is pi r square h. You will substitute all the values and you will find out the answer. Now moving to the question number 6th. In question number 6, you have given that height and volume, which is given in liters. So first you will convert into the meter cube. For it, divided by 1000, it will be converted into the meter, and volume is given pi r square h. You have given all the values, you will substitute the value, r square is equal to this much. Then you will find out the under root of 0.0049, you will get the value of r. Now you are having r, so you have to find out the total surface area of cylinder, which is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. You will substitute all the values and you will find out the answer of the question. Now moving to the question number 7. In this, there is a pencil, graphite pencil, and you can see that inside the pencil there is a lid of graphite. So you have to find out the volume of lid and the volume of the wood around this lid. You have to find out, and for that you have given everything. The radius of the pencil is given, and the radius of graphite inside, which is given in millimeter, is this, and the volume of graphite will be pi r square h. R you will use 0.05 here, and h is given 14. You will get this. Now volume of wood. For finding the volume of wood, you have to subtract, or you can do it like that also. You can find out the volume of pencil first, pi r square h, and in the place of r you will write 0.35, and whatever the answer will become, you will subtract the volume of graphite by that. You can do it like that also. Now moving to the next question. Question number 8. In this question, you have given that there is a patient, and you have to give in a hospital, and you have to give a bowl which is in the shape of cylinder, and there are 250 patients, and they have to serve the soup for that. And how much soup will be served for 250 patients? So first you will find out the volume or capacity of a cylinder pi r square h, and then you will multiply it by 250. You will get the total capacity. Thank you very much.